Let's learn English through short conversations, with vocabulary and listening questions. At the Tourist Information Center.
Hello, I'm visiting for the weekend. What do you recommend?
Here's a brochure with top attractions. Are you interested in nature or museums?
I'd love to see the waterfalls.
Perfect. Here's a map with directions.
Thank you. That looks amazing.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Brochure, a small booklet with information. Attraction, a place tourists visit. Map, a visual guide to locations. Now, answer the question. Where does the tourist want to go? Answer. The tourist wants to visit the waterfalls. At the clothing store.
Hi, do you have this jacket in medium?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in medium and large.
Great. Can I try the medium on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Thanks. I'll take it if it fits well.
Sure, take your time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Size, the measurement of clothing. Fitting room, a space to try on clothes. Jacket, a short coat that you wear to keep warm or for fashion. Now, answer the question. What size does the shopper ask for? Answer. The shopper asks for a medium. At the office.
Hey, are you going to the team meeting?
I wasn't planning to, but the manager just asked me to present something.
Really? What are you going to talk about?
I was thinking of reviewing our recent marketing campaign.
Didn't Sarah already cover that last week?
Oh, you're right. I forgot. Maybe I'll go with a report on this month's sales instead.
That sounds better. Everyone's been curious about the numbers.
Great. I'll prepare a short presentation.
Good luck. Let me know how it goes.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Meeting room, a space for group discussions. Presentation, a prepared speech or slideshow. Task, a piece of work to complete. Now, answer the question. What is the employee preparing for? Answer. The employee is preparing for a presentation on this month's sales. At the convenience store.
Hi, I'd like a bottle of orange juice and maybe this chocolate bar.
Sure, anything else?
Actually, no, wait. I've changed my mind about the chocolate. It's too sweet for me.
No problem. Would you like something else instead?
Do you have any granola bars?
Yes, they're right next to the fridge.
Great. I'll take one of those.
That'll be $3.50. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Thanks for your help.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Snack, a small amount of food. Checkout, the place to pay. Granola bars, a snack made from oats, nuts, honey, and sometimes dried fruits. Now, answer the question. What does the customer buy? Answer. The customer buys a bottle of orange juice and a granola bar. At the local market.
Hi, how much are these apples?
They're $3 per kilo today.
That's a bit much. Do you have any that are on sale?
Yes, these green apples are just $2 per kilo.
Perfect. I'll take 2 kilos of the green ones.
Sure thing, anything else?
Do you have fresh strawberries?
Sorry, we sold out earlier this morning.
No worries. Just the apples then. Thank you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Sold out, all items have been bought. Price per kilo, cost per kilogram. Fresh, recently made, picked, or prepared. Now, answer the question. How much are the green apples per kilo? Answer. The apples are $2 per kilo. At the library.
Hi, I'd like to borrow this novel.
Do you have your library card?
I forgot it at home. Can I still borrow the book?
Unfortunately, I need to scan your card. Do you have the app?
Oh yes, I have the library app here on my phone.
Great. That works. This book is due back in 2 weeks.
Can I return it at any library?
Yes, any of our city libraries will accept it.
Thanks a lot. I'll make sure to return it on time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Library card, a card to borrow books. Due date, the return date for a borrowed item. Return, to bring back an item. Now, answer the question. When does the book need to be returned? Answer. The book is due back in 2 weeks.